It's a combination of and, or, and not. So the by combining and, or, not, we can create XOR, XNOR. So the formula for this or the expression for this is y is equal to a into b plus a bar into b bar. So that is equal to a exclusive or b whole bar, that is written as, this is the exclusive NOR symbol. Circle with a dot indicates exclusive NOR symbol. So this will be with a bubble. So y is equal to ab plus a bar into b bar. So this is a and this is b. So now coming to the circuit diagram for this ab into a bar into b bar. So we'll take a, b. As I told, you can take it horizontally or vertically. So I'll prefer vertically, writing it vertically. So a, b. So both of them are having multiplication operation. So I'll be writing AND gate. Then a bar into b bar, a bar, b bar. So again AND gate. So this will be your OR gate. Finally, AB plus A bar into B bar. So this is the circuit diagram for this. Let us write the truth table for this. A, B, A exclusive NOR B. So how many input variables you can have in this? How many types of input choice you can have in this?
4.
4, because two inputs are there. So obviously 4. 00, 11, 01, 01. When you compare with XOR, what was the thing which I told in XOR?
If same input, it's zero.
If same input, it's 0. But here, if same input, it is 1. If it's same input, it is 1. If different inputs, then it is 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is what we are having for XOR operation. After this, we are having duality property. Duality property. So in this duality property, it states that for a given expression, duality is applied by changing OR sign to AND sign, changing AND sign to OR sign, and also complementing 0 and 1 appearing in Boolean expression. Okay, so this is what the duality property tells. If you are having a plus 1, if you are having a plus 1 is equal to 1, the duality of this will be a into 0 is equal to 0. See what we are doing according to the first statement, or sign is replaced by and sign. Or sign is replaced by and operation, and 1 is replaced by 0. Here you are having 1, you are replacing it with 0. Here you are having 1, you are replacing it with 0. Okay, this is the duality property. So this duality property we are going to use in solving the different expressions. For we are having some set of duality rules. Let us look into that rule. Duality law. So a plus 0 is equal to a. That is a into 1 is equal to a. So the duality of this. So this is known as identity law. Next, a plus 1 is equal to 1. A into 0 is equal to 0. This is null law. A into a is equal to a. So a into a is equal to a. Idempotent law. Next, a into a bar is equal to 0. A plus a bar is equal to 1. So this is known as inverse law. A plus ab is equal to a. A into a plus b is equal to a. So that is absorption law. Then we are having a plus a bar b. This can be written as a plus b, and a into a bar plus b. This is equal to a into b. And again we will be using distributive law here also. A plus b into a plus c is equal to a plus bc. A into b plus a into c is equal to a into b plus c. This is known as the distributive law. Okay, so these are the different rules which we need to follow in solving the complex expression. They'll give a complex equation. That complex equation we need to simplify it. We need to simplify it by using all these rules and also the algebraic laws whatever we have studied already. So based on that we are going to solve the problems. Okay, this
Excuse
we
me,
need
sir.
to, yes.
Sir, an idempotent law, the duality, shouldn't it be A plus A? Because in rule also it is A into A and then the
Sorry,
sign
here it
changes.
is a. Here it is a plus a. I forgot. This is a plus a is equal to a. Okay. It is a plus a is equal to a. That is equal to a into a is equal to a. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So these are the set of rules which you should remember. And in this, in the many of the cases, we use this one. This a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Many cases will be using this, 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 this. This four you must and should you should know. This 4 to 5 I should must and should you should know it. Okay. Again and again we are going to use this in simplifying the expression. Okay. Now let us solve the problem. The first one, simplify a plus b into a plus b bar into a bar plus b. So that is equal to a plus b, a plus b bar into a bar plus b. You can multiply these two first, or you can multiply these two first. A plus B, just multiply A into A bar, this to this to this, plus A into B plus A bar B bar plus B into B bar. According to the duality property, we have seen A bar, B bar. What is the duality value?
0.
0.
0, right? Suppose if you get confusion, simple way, you only can cross verify. Substitute A is equal to 1. 1 into 1 bar, 1 into 0, that is equal to 0. Substitute A is equal to 0. 0 into 0 bar, that is 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. Whatever value you put for A, it comes 0. That's why this tends to 0, this tends to 0. Next is A plus B into AB plus A bar B bar. Again, we'll multiply them. A into B plus A into A bar into B bar plus A into B plus A bar into B bar into B. See, according to again the Boolean, the duality property, we have A into A bar is equal to 0. Again, B into B bar is equal to 0. And what is A into A? B into B?
A into A, sir.
A into A is A. So B into B is B. So this becomes AB plus AB. See, again it is in the form of A plus A. What is A plus A?
A.
A. So it will be
AB.
AB. See, this is the complex equation is reduced into simplest form. So this is the method. So you have to keep on practicing the problems, then you'll get confidence. So they can ask any type of question. But if you are perfect with the duality property and Boolean laws, you can solve any. But this idea of combine, which to combine, which not to combine, all those things comes only after practicing. Let us take one more. A bar plus B bar into A plus B. Okay, so now A into A bar plus A bar B plus A into B bar plus B into B bar. So A bar is 0, B bar is 0. We are having A bar B plus A into B bar. So do we have this equation in any of the gates, or somewhere we have seen this equation?
XOR.
XOR, right? So that's why, right, A exclusive or B. That's the answer. Okay, like that we can solve different problems. Sometimes they will only give you the final result. For example, we take prove that A bar B C D bar plus BC D bar plus B C bar D bar plus B C bar D, that is equal to B into D bar plus C bar. See, here they have only given the end result. Sometimes in the simplification process, the end result, your single problem can have 2 or 3 varieties of answers based upon the simplification. All the 3 are correct, but if they have given it, you have to prove it with some end result, then you have to show that result only. Okay, and you have to keep on simplifying the equation until you get this equation. So let us first start. Let us take this. A bar B C D bar plus B C D bar plus B C bar D bar plus B C bar D. Now When you take these two, is there anything common in these two?
BC D bar.
Yes, BC D bar, BC D bar common. Now again, when you look into these two, anything common?
BC bar.
BC bar, BC bar. So take BCD bar into A bar plus 1 plus BC bar into D bar plus D. So according to the duality, what is A bar plus 1? A bar plus 1?
1.
1, right? If you get doubt, simply substitute. A is equal to 1. 0 plus 1. A is equal to 0. 0 bar plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1. So whatever you put, the final result is dependent upon this value. That's why it is 1. Here, D bar plus D. What is D bar plus D?
1.
1.
Once.
Okay. Now, BC D bar plus BC bar. Again, is there any common thing we can have in this?
B.
B can be common. B into CD bar plus C bar. See, we have an equation A bar B plus A is equal to A plus B. In the same way, even this equation is also there. C D bar plus C bar, but it is in this form. C D bar C D bar plus C bar. Here, just look into this. A bar B plus A is A plus B. So if you have A bar here, then you get A. If you have B, you'll get B. In the same way, if I'm going to write this, what you will write?
C bar plus B bar. D bar.
C bar plus D bar. Okay. See, just remember, here you are having A bar, but here you are writing A. But B, whatever you are having, the same thing you are going to write here. Same way, you have C, write C bar. D bar you are having, write the same thing. So it is C bar plus D bar. B of C bar plus D bar. So now, is it same as what they are asking? So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, okay. So like this, case we are having different types of problems. Let us take one more. C of B plus C into A plus B plus C. First, you multiply these two. BC plus C into C. A plus B plus C. BC plus C to A plus B plus C. So that is equal to C into B plus 1. A plus B plus C. We are happy. So that is equal to C. What is B plus 1? It is just like A plus 1.
1 is
A plus B plus C. Now you multiply AC plus BC plus CC. As you know that CC is nothing but C. So AC plus BC plus C. Now again, AC plus C into B plus 1. So what is B plus 1?
1.
1. Again 1. So now again we take C common. A plus 1. What is A plus 1?
1.
1. C into 1 is equal to C. Okay. So this is how we are going to derive. Okay. So you should keep on practicing the problems. So you'll keep on getting you'll get ideas continuously. If you are fixing up, if you are not solving the problem, no, you will not get the idea. When you keep on, you can try for some 5 problems. Automatically, the next problem you'll keep on getting idea. Oh, I can combine this. I can do this. I can replace this, like that. So practice this kind of problems. Next, we'll see one more. Prove that A plus B bar plus C bar into A plus B bar plus C is equal to A plus B bar. Now start multiplying. So A into A plus A into B bar plus A into C plus B bar into A plus B bar into B bar plus B bar into C plus C bar into A plus C bar into B bar plus C into C bar. So now this for okay, what is this B bar into B bar?
B bar.
It is B bar. Okay. A into A. C bar, C into C bar, 0. Like that, can you anything simplified? No. Now, A plus A into B bar plus AC plus B bar into A plus B bar plus B bar C plus C bar into A plus C bar B bar. Now, A into 1 plus B bar plus AC plus B bar into A plus 1 and plus B bar C plus C bar into A plus B bar. So now A into 1 plus B bar. What is 1 plus B bar? 1.
1.
So we'll leave it as this. AC. A plus 1. 1 plus B bar C plus C bar of A plus B bar. Can it be done something? Can you do something?
Sir,
I don't. Yes.
sir, in the above equation itself, A into B bar plus B into B bar into A, both are right. Can we to one A into B bar?
Where?
In the second line,
This one.
sir. In second line,
Ah,
A plus
you are
A
talking about
into
this.
B bar. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Both are same, right? We can reduce to one, right? A into B bar itself.
Yeah.
Why you are
You
taking
can
that?
do that. Okay, we can reduce there only. No issue.
Yeah. Then we get A plus B bar plus C bar to final
This
answer.
will be the AC
Sir,
plus B bar. So this one I have taken common here.
yes, sir. C plus 1 of
Hmm. So it is C plus 1 plus C bar A plus C bar B bar. Here I don't think we can do anything in this case.
So we can group A into C and C bar A.
Hmm. So A plus A into C plus C bar plus C plus 1 is 1. So B bar plus C bar into B bar. That is equal to A plus C plus C bar. What is the answer for C plus C bar?
1 only, sir.
1
1.
plus, if I take B bar common, 1 plus C bar, this tends to 1. So A plus A is A. So A plus C bar. Okay. So you can do it in many steps. You can do it in 10 steps. You can do it in 5 steps also. Okay. This is how we are going to solve the problems with respect to uh, the simplification of the equations. In the same way, you can solve other problems whichever is given in the book. Sometimes they will give like this complement of A plus B plus 1. So what is the complement of this? Complement means we need to take the bar over this. That is equal to A bar into B bar into 1 bar. That is equal to A bar into B bar into 0. Right? That is answer will be 0. If they are giving AB plus 0. So to this taking complement, AB plus 0 whole bar is equal to AB whole bar into 0 bar. What you are actually applying here?
De Morgan's.
De Morgan's. Right. A bar plus B bar into 1. The answer will be A bar plus B bar. In the same way, we are having AB plus A bar B bar. Which equation is it?
X naught.
X naught.
So if we take the complement for this, obviously you should have this common sense. When you take the complement of XNOR, what you will get?
XOR.
XOR. So final equation should be XOR. So AB plus A bar into A bar whole bar. So that is equal to AB bar. So first we'll split up here into A bar into B bar whole bar. That is equal to A bar plus B bar into A double bar plus B double bar. That is equal to A bar plus B bar into A plus B. So that is A bar plus A bar B plus A B bar plus B B bar. So this tends to 0, this tends to 0. We'll get A bar B A bar B plus A B bar. This is A exclusive or B. Any doubt in this kind of problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, they'll ask you to write the logic diagram and truth table for a given equation. Logic diagram and truth table for they'll give any equation. Let us take AB plus BC into A bar plus B bar. This is the equation. They should read the question properly. Many students will have this confusion because they are given somewhat complicated equation like this. What they'll do, no, they'll simplify it and then they're going to write the logic diagram and truth table. That you should not do because in the question they have just asked write the logic diagram and truth table. They have not mentioned simplify. Okay, if they have mentioned simplify, then you have to simplify it and next do the process. But if they have not mentioned simplify, realize, then don't simplify it as it is. You need to write the truth table. Please remember this. Okay. Now, A, B, C. May I know how many input varieties we can have? 8.
8.
First 2 to the power of 3. 3 inputs. So it will be having 8. So all 4 zeros, 4 ones. Double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1. 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. After that, write A bar, B bar, AB plus BC, BC, A bar plus B bar. Finally, you write BC into A bar plus B bar. And last, we have AB plus BC into A bar plus B bar. Yes, I want you all to try this. A bar, write the complement. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. AB multiply 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. So like that, multiply and solve this and tell me the final answer. If anyone have doubt, you can ask. Now we are considering antenna as short dipole. This is our first one. Why we are doing this? Basically we are saying that whatever we are transmitting to the point, we are receiving at any distance here instantaneously. Which is basically not true. Actually, in real, there will be some delay. There will be some delay, or you can say retardation. That you have to take into account. That comes to the picture when we are considering the short dipole. And to short dipole, it will be taken as short. So,
just want to mention, you people have got your marks for internal assessment to have studied the group and the lessons you might have got. And mail you also got it, right? According to this one. So that's specific. I was the online examination. That's why you can see the combination of marks to the test. But still,
Anybody
some of the students are going to
are done?
like the previous question. I think it was complete.
The last output 0001 0001.
0001 00
0001.
So 0011.
0011. Okay. So this is the answer we will get. So this we need to write the logic diagram.
The problem I'm just rectifying. Okay, are you also on?
A.
So I just want to say that when you are finding the B line, B width, then you are going to find that B width is equal to.
So now first we are having AB.
B width is theta
A,
H
B.
into phi H. Okay, half hour.
So these two have
When you are going to find out
an AND gate.
in that case, when you are going to
Okay.
find out like
This give AB. Then BC we are having.
4 pi upon
First take that BC. B,
that both
C.
will be the same and either you take it in radian or in square degree. What you have done, and you have taken
Then
4 pi and
we are
divided by
having
square degree. This is not,
A bar.
you have to convert that 4 pi into
So in order to get A bar, what we need to do? We should pass it through a NOT gate. Then it becomes A bar. Then B bar. Take a point here, pass it through NOT gate, B bar.
Getting point or not, when you are going to divide it by even,
So this will be
you have to convert this into square degree.
the XOR.
Like you are having 20 degree, 20 degree. So 20 degree, it also 20 degree.
So now BC into A bar plus B bar, these two are combined
You cannot divide 4 pi divided by
and they are given with an AND gate.
square degree. Getting my point?
Then
Yes.
after that
Whoever done this
we are having OR gate.
second, I admire that
AB plus BC into A bar plus B bar. Okay, this is how you are going to write the logic diagram. Remember, the NOT gate should be given with only one input, but OR gate and gate, they can have n number of inputs. There is no limit. You can add any number of inputs to that, but output will be one output only. Output is only one for all the types of gate, but input is one only for the NOT gate, but rest of the gates can have any number of inputs. But remember, minimum 2 inputs should be there, will be there for all the gates except NOT gate. Minimum 2 input should be there. Other than 2, any more than 2, you can have any number, but minimum 2 inputs should be there for all the gates except NOT gate. NOT gate will have only one input. Okay. So after this, the next part what we are having is NAND and NOR realization. As I was discussing, NAND and NOR are known as they are known as something. What is that?
Universal gates.
Universal gate. Very good. So they are known as universal gates. So NAND and NOR realization is very, very important. One from the point of examination, even from the point of interviews, wherever you go, because you need the basic knowledge of gates, because everything is digital here. So they'll ask you, okay, I'll give you an equation. Can you draw the circuit by using only NAND gate? Or they'll ask you, can you write an equation when you are going to write can you write by using only NOR gate? Okay, these are the some common the questions which they'll be asking, because I have seen when I have seen some interviews and all, they ask this kind of question. Okay, so this is very important and quite interesting. There are some 3 to 4 steps. If you follow the 3 to 4 steps, we can realize any type of gates. There is no worry in that. But some I have given in my book, I have given it step by step so that any complex equation can be easily written. But some of them will teach to write directly. But if you write directly, the chance of getting the wrong circuit will be more. Okay, and also for in the exam also, for the step by step realization, there are marks. If you directly write the final circuit, you are going to lose marks. Okay, in the next class we will study NAND and NOR realization, and after that we go for the complex applications of the gates like adder, flip-flop, multiplexer, counter, and all. We will study that in the later classes. We'll stop it here today.
Excuse me, sir.